Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. I've designated this Coin Hunt ACH 36 or Animal Coin Hunt 36. However, it has two other coins, so they're all from one island, which is the Cook Islands. So this first one is a 5-cent coin. All of them have Her Majesty the Queen, the late Queen on, Queen Elizabeth II, and this is a 5-cent coin from the year 2000. On the reverse, it's one of the two that is in the animal coins, and it is a 5-10. We've called them 5 cents, but they're also known as 5-10. It is it represents a 21st century food security coin from the FAO, which is the Food and Agriculture Organization, which is part of the UN. This particular coin shows the statue of the Tangara, which is Tangaroa. There is no mintage available for this coin. Now the rest of the coins in this particular group, the other four, are all 1-cent coins. They have exactly the same portrait as the Queen on. I'll show it just on this one coin, but I won't be showing it on the next four. So this one is a 1-cent coin from the year 2003. It is a 1 cent or a 1-10 coin. It shows the dog is a collie and it gives the value. Like the 5-cent coin earlier on, this 1-cent coin does not have a mintage available. The next one is another dog, another 1 cent or 1-10 coin. It's also from 2003, and the dog is a pointer dog. Again, there is no mintage for this coin. The next coin is also from 2003, and it's a chimpanzee or a monkey on a branch. The Queen, on the Queen side you also have the year and the country. On this one you have the value and the monkey on the branch. Again, as for the other coins, there are no mintage figures available. Whoa! The next coin, and the last of the animal coins, is a rooster from the year 2003, and it has no mintage. The Queen and the year is on the other side. And the final coin actually shows a very well-known explorer by the name of James Cook. Again, there is no mintage for this 1 cent or 1-10 coin. So if I just bring them all up slightly, you have James Cook, we have a rooster, we have the pointer, we have the collie, we have the chimp or monkey, and finally we have the 5-cent coin, which is a 10 thing. Is a, what do they call him? 10 sorry, a Tangaroa. So these are the 6 coins. What do you think of them? I bought them. I think all the ones from 2003 are part of a set. The 10 this coin on the end here that shows the statue of from the Cook Islands is a Food and Agriculture organisational coin, and it's as I told you earlier on, it shows food security. What do you think of these coins? Do you like them? I put them as an animal coin hunt because the majority of the coins that I got in this, when I bought these bought this as a complete well, not completely, it was 6 coins from the Cook Islands in one sale. What do you think of them? Do you like them? I certainly do. And I put them as animal coins because the vast majority of them were animal coins. So, let me just put these into the bag. This bag is now made up and it's ready for me to fit the coins into my collection. I do 4 videos, but just recently I've been releasing 5 videos a week, but I do a minimum 4, so I'm hoping you'll find something there that you enjoy watching. I am looking to, as I've said many times before, looking to up my subscriber list. I'm looking to try and reach 250 by the end of this year. I'm currently in about 173, 174. So I do need your help. If you believe I've deserved it, could you, if you haven't yet subscribed, could you please subscribe? If not, and also if you enjoyed this, could you please give me the thumbs up? Neither of these 2 things will cost you a penny. And if you do subscribe, not only will I be very happy, but I would love you to be along with enjoying the coins, banknotes, militaria and some collectibles that I'll be showing on this channel. In the meantime, until we meet up again, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.